saints come marching in. We roll so deep that they can't believe we sold out seats to them CDs. Please don't sleep on the beat. Beat up these, still don't get it what you keep up, please. We ain't no heroes for selling. You bought one, better keep your receipts. Okay, I get it. I know what they thinking. We some kumbaya singing. Corny Christians, keep your dishes. Buy a ticket to a concert, pay a visit. Think it's hot. We them blues brothers, 116 on a mission from God. I don't think they get it. I really think what they gotta do is see it to believe it. I wasn't planning on leaving them. Leaving them like a woman, don't give it. I believe it. It's a minute, I don't know, but I don't get them. If you ever wanna get it, we'll never come and get it. I want them to walk out and tell them we really win them. They're thinking that I'm tripping because I'm living for more than just rapping. What is what happens when the saints come marching in? Saints go, saints go, saints go. Marching, my homies they be marching. Get to the second letter. Out up, let it go. Them boys sold out, no promo. Coming to the 2 years, it'll go cold, but they worked out 8 like Ocho. I'ma give it 300. In the street, probably wanna see us go on. But we in it, we live it, we get it. Our dog gon' do what it want on. We fragrant, the aroma is the Beyonce. Every time I'm rockin', I'm thankful to take these words Beyonce. Don't it feel like we famous? I wanna know what our name is, but heaven knows it's David. Let's look like it's that A-list, so I buy.
Run across.
I'm so rich and I ain't talking about cheddar, but I bet cold Christ go and talk to the teller. Got a check till I get, I be cashing. But at the same time, get the thing going, they be lacking the pay. That nigga straight man, we ain't lacking the thing back with the fake pay. By the blood of the lamb, that is fake, that is pain.
I got you.
Oh, when the saints go marching in, when the saints go marching in, when the saints go marching in, saints go marching in, saints go marching in, saints go marching in. Okay.
Oh, we just got defend. That's me back.
But we gon' love them even though they doubt us. We just visiting like we some mad Italians. Got a man in us, Harris just got turned out in the showers. We don't meditate, we better. Cow is perfect, no limbo, but we glad to be cow saints. Cause proud cow is standing them letters. We set apart for the Savior. He led our hearts to the make us forget the art that we make it. If we never love our neighbors, you might catch us whistling. March to the spot straight glistening. Standing cause we feel good. You might wanna listen in. But that ain't that many rain, any road here, they go with this again. That's what makes us love our neighbors. We not get so little feet. They'll know it's by love.
Oh, you got your gun working.
Mama wants some Obama in me. The hood won't pop, hip-hop wanna see the common in me. And since it's a senseless contradiction, I end up a misfit trying to fit in. This is when I stand up and see the hands of the standard. Holy is the Lamb. Now we holding you to man up, cause we were made in this image. Start looking at what you
happened? Oh, is that a grenade? Did it 2 BBs or is it just a good? Where's the new one? He's over there on that side.
We the last. Yeah, where the men at? Seems like they all lost. None of them are on the scene. Seems like they died off. They extinct, but my dream is the rise of we chasing the prize of the king, the divine boss. But we fell away, now we ungodly. We lose and we really got the blues like Navi. I wanna celebrate the dudes, it's with Savage. Fellas, let's elevate, we do with the live. They lie. Get your shine on. And if a sucker try to walk, get your line on.
Know what I heard you gotta do to be a man now. Stand up for yourself, so I took it in my hands now. And that's the problem, man. We busy trying to solve it. All while we walking dead. Somebody bring the coffin. Boy, drunk, peach bud. Now you think to do a man, but you feeling yourself. You need to man up.
Yeah, there's many things men is chasing after. They got some questions, we got some answers. Sex and models and tipping bottles, back a pile of excuses right next to your bottle caps. A Rolodex filled with names that you aim to please. Next to the stack of money, building up a heart of greed. Ice on his neck, giving jokers the cold shoulder. You drunk off pride, plus you loving the hangover. You got a whole lot of stuff that won't amount to gain. Life will never make sense because you never make sense. We got it twisted sick like a fever. Little man live stacked old people. Man up, get up out of that treehouse, leave them cookies alone. It's time to eat meat now. Trying to show you a new way to live now. No charge, you call it a freestyle. Without Christ, you know what a man is. You'll born a man's body like Tom Hanks in bed. Yeah, being a man got nothing to do with age.
You almost got it, man.
Be a boy to the day
I
you
knew you
made
guys
it
been rushing a lot of
grave.
stuff.
None of us behave like the image of who we're made. Cause we fall in the way, it's better known as the grave. Running from responsibility, really we crave the easy way out of places that call us to pull our weight. Man, they born through everyday decisions are made. Responding to the call, God's giving up from the game. Yeah, let the process begin. Separate the boys from the men.